Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm definitely still very bullish on these higher time frames. I still think it's going to go up and take out these highs. I think it needs to complete this WXY pattern, which is basically 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and 3 waves up, which a wave A and a wave C of wave Y should be a trend on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of a correction right here, the end of the wave B of Y. I still think this right here would be a wave 1 of C. I still think this right here is a wave 2 of C, which we are back at a fib level, could possibly end there, could possibly go down to the 78.6. Either way, eventually I think it's going to continue the uptrend, making that big wave 3, 4, and 5 like I showed on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we've definitely been going down for quite some time now, so I definitely would continue to look for shorts until I have proof that this correction is over. I still think these 5 waves up is very clearly a 1. I still think this move down is very clearly an A. I think this is very clearly 3 waves up, wave B. Most likely we are in a downtrend, which I'm not really convinced is over, probably a wave C. I think the 78.6 or the 61.8 possibly could hold. Most likely a 1, most likely a 2, and eventually going back up for a big old wave 3. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, definitely been going up for the last day or so, but so far no breaker structure to the upside. I'm still looking at this move up as very likely to be a correction to this move down. I think it's very likely to make a lower high and just keep on trending down, especially based on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1-hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move. We do already have a fib bounce. We may already have the end of a correction right here. I mean, it kind of looks like a trend, but I could actually argue that this is already an ABC. If it is already an ABC, then yeah, I'm sure maybe it'll make some moves to the upside, but it will continue to make lower lows, lower highs. So at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, I am definitely doing nothing on these sort of time frames but looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.